Hello everyone, this is my review of Tillamook's real hardwood smoked teriyaki sausages. The teriyaki seasoning is bold but not overpowering, with a sweet and savory balance. You can really taste the hardwood smoke flavor behind it. The texture is firm and meaty, not too soft or mushy. When I bite in, there's a nice chew that holds up well. One thing I love, the ingredient integrity. Tillamook claims these are made with premium beef and pork, simple seasonings, and real hardwood smoke, no shortcuts. They perform well as a grab-and-go snack. I keep some in my bag or fridge. They're great when I need protein. If I had to mention a downside, they can be slightly salty, especially in teriyaki varieties. Also, if you like ultra-lean jerky, these are richer. But for what they are, they deliver excellent flavor and satisfaction. Overall, if you're looking for a smoked meat snack that's flavorful, satisfying, and made with care, this one's a strong pick. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.